So we got this situation. So in this part we will study to find out the coefficient of x power r. R can be anything. R can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything, 0. Okay. So if they will talk about the coefficient of term independent of x, this means these guys are interested in finding coefficient of uh, term having x power 0. Okay. So suppose that we have wait, so we have 1 plus x and I wish to expand this thing. Okay, I will not go with the easier one, I'll go with x plus y. Okay, power n. So let's expand this one. You know that first part we will give maximum power to x and then we will keep on reducing the power of x by 1. So n minus 1, x power n minus 2 and so on. Okay, need not to go with the every part. Now you know that you will put minimum power to y 0 and you will keep on increasing things. Okay, and then we will give some coefficient nc 0 to the first element, nc 1, nc 2 and so on. Okay, so look at this, look at the just try to observe your expression. Okay, so suppose that like I want to make lower, like in general way what I want to do, I want to find out the term having c taking the lower subscript as r. So what I should do, I should go with ncr, x something y something. So look at c is having same lower subscript and y is having same upper subscript, correct or wrong? So you can put power of y as r. Also you know that the sum of powers of the variable is n, so can I give n minus r? Okay, now rearrange things, ncr y power r and then x power, I will change the color, x will take power n minus r. Okay, now based on this part, suppose that you wish to take uh, you wish to make term independent of x. So what we will do, we will put n minus r equals to 0. If we want power to be 4, we will put n minus r to be 4 and so on so forth. Okay, so this is the rough idea to find out the coefficient of x power r, and we will do some illustrations so that you can hold great command over this part. Okay, we will try to solve every type of questions in this part.